Nästa talare heter Arif Kisana och kommer från Pakistan International Cultural Society och hans tal kommer vara i Urdu.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear brothers, we are here today to show our solidarity with our brothers and sisters of Rohingya. And I thought the same words as my friend Abul Kalam, the president of Rohingya Association Sweden, did. 3 months before, in June, when Aung San Suu Kyi visited Sweden, we were here and we did the demonstration. And at that time, Swedish Prime Minister stressed to Aung San Suu Kyi that she should respect the human rights. And same way, we are here today, and you have seen that in few days, more than 200 people, they were stressed to leave their homes, and there are films and videos, one can't see them. And why we are here? We are here to stress our Swedish government that Sweden is a member of Security Council. Sweden should take this initiative. Yesterday, the Swedish Foreign Minister, Margot Wallström, she wrote very good words. I appreciate them, but the words are not enough. We need some practical measures, and this is the time that the whole world should wake up and they should realize that they are the humans. They need their rights. They are the same citizen as the Burma, the other citizen, and we are here to show our solidarity. We are with them, and now the whole world is wake up. And I think it's a responsibility not only for the Swedish, but all the governments, United Nations, and also the neighboring countries, India and Bangladesh, and in the regional country like Pakistan. They should put pressure on the Burma that immediately they stop the violation of the human rights. And we are here, and we will continue our support to our brothers